Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So today we're going to be checking out our new Kroger ad preview that's going to start on Wednesday, December 1st. Yes, December 1st. We're already in December of 2021 and it will go through the 7th on a Tuesday. Of course, this is week 1 of a 2-week new buy 5 or more, save $1 each mega sale. So super excited to show you all the deals that are going to be involved in this. So before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, hit all so you don't miss any of my videos, and let's check out this Kroger ad preview. So first and foremost, big shout out to ladysavings.com for posting the ad early for me. I know I don't get my ad till Sunday, but now I can bring you the ad preview thanks to them posting it. So again, when we look at produce and meat, you want to make sure that you look region by region. These will vary based on what region you live in. So these medium avocados for 77 cents, great deal here if your region is carrying them for that price. But all the other items tend to be roughly the same, maybe a few cents difference here or there, but really great deals. Large Fuji Gala or Granny Smith apples for 99 cents per pound. Really great deal there. 77 cents per pound on your red tomatoes on the vine or sweet onions. We also have a deal on the buy one, get one free fresh boneless pork half loin there, and $7.99 per pound on some New York strip steaks. We also have $14.99 per pound on that wild caught snow crab clusters. And 3 days only, we are going to see a sale on 33% off on all holiday candy. So that is going to run on Friday, December 3rd through Sunday, December 5th. So mark your calendars if you're wanting to grab candy, especially for stocking stuffers or just to have candy, you know. We have Thanksgiving's ended and we've had a whole month since Halloween. So I'm sure you're dying to grab more candy here. All right, so let's check out the next page, which of course is going to show our new mega sale items, which we're excited about. All right, looking at the next part here, 4 for $11 on your Pepsi or 7-Up. We also have a deal on the Lay's potato chips or kettle cooked potato chips, $1.99 each when you buy 3. Kroger milk is going to be $1.25 for those half gallons. So again, you want to weigh your cost on your regular gallon of milk. So like my regular gallon would be $2.99. So to grab 2 half gallons would be $1 or $2.50, which is a much better price. So I'm probably going to be stocking up on my half gallons as opposed to my full gallons this week. Some alcohol deals, I never really go over those too much, but you can definitely look at that. Progresso soups, 99 cents each when you buy 8 of them. This is a really, really great deal. You want to grab these, stock up on these. Remember, we're in a shortage, a supply chain shortage, that type of thing. So you definitely want to grab these when you can. And if you are hearing a trombone playing Christmas tunes in the background, my son is practicing right now, and I honestly can hardly ever find a time to do videos without him actually practicing when he's home. He is obsessed with the trombone. So I'm just going to let it play. I'm not going to go tell him to stop. And you can enjoy that in the background if you can hear it. Not sure. I do have couple doors shut here. We also have our new buy 5 or more, save $1 each mega sale that's happening. If you're new to mega sales, the way this works is you have to buy 5 minimum participating items and then you get $1 off each. You don't have to buy 5 of the same item. You can mix and match participating items, and you can buy, after you get to 5, you can buy as many as you want, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 103, and then $1 per item comes off. So we've got some deals on some General Mills cereals there. Sara Lee bread for $1.79. We have the crackers and Kraft cheese there for $1.79. And of course, we have some International Delight creamers and Silk almond milk and some Kraft singles there for $1.99. Then we also have some Thomas Bagels, Little Bites, and Chobani oat milk there for $1.99. So next we have the center part of the ad. Of course, the alcohol deals will be on the left-hand side of the screen. Feel free to pause and check those out a little further if you're interested. But already catching my eye is the Kroger cheese, 32 ounces for $5.99. We also have that cheese tray with the cuts. What was it, 2 or 3 weeks ago, we had a deal on those trays of cheese, and I only bought one of them. That was my biggest regret. I wish I had bought a few more when they were like $2.99 or something. Like, I can't remember what they were exactly, and froze a few of them because my husband and I, we loved it. We just loved pulling out the cheese here and there and eating it. Rayo's, also the pasta sauce there for $5.99. We have some Starbucks coffees. It looks like some Annie snacks there for $6.99. Buy one, get one free on the brownberry wide pan bread or the sandwich thins there. So that looks great. 99 cents each on some drinks there when you buy, I believe it's 5, when you buy 5 of them. So, good price, stock up on that great price there. Not a bad deal. We also have a buy 2, get 1 free on some, it says Kroger Simple Truth, Organic or Private Selection spices. You have some cookie deals there. Again, hit pause and look a little closer. I don't want to necessarily read all of these to you. I'm actually looking at the ad for the first time myself. So trying to see what pops out at me personally. We also have some deals on some sparkling water, 2 for $10 there. Scroll down a little bit here. Some chicken, some Kroger chicken there for $5.49. We also have some vegetable oil, 2 for $7. All right. Two for $1 on your Kroger broth. Okay, so if you missed out on all of those deals that were happening the weeks before Thanksgiving and those mega sales, you have a great opportunity here. We also have a 10 for $10 sale down here. Again, most of these items are just a few cents more than $1, if not already $1, and you don't get anything extra when you get to 10. Like, I love Meijer because they do 10 for 10 and get the 11th item free, so that always helps you want to get to 10. You don't have to buy 10 items to get the $1 price, just so you know you can buy one of them and get $1 price. So it's just one of those kind of tricks to get you to buy more, I think. But obviously you can look around and see the products there. Anything stick out to you personally? Nothing's jumping out at me as must grab. They all seem pretty normally that price, maybe a couple cents cheaper than normal. All right, let's go to the next page here. Next, we have the mega sale items here. We've got some Downy, Tide, and Kleenex for $4.99. Of course, we have $2 off coupons that come out in the P&G as the new month starts, so we'll have some pretty good deals there. We have the Kroger Ultra Strong or Soft Bath Tissue for $7.99, and then you also have the Glad trash bags there. We have the Clorox and the Dove for $3.99. More detergent, the Snuggle, $1.79 each. Fingers crossed we see some coupons pop up for those. I'm going to try to get together a video for Tuesday, advertised deals video, so definitely make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss those videos. We also have the Pampers for $8.99, and of course we're getting that P&G, so hopefully we'll have some coupons in there as well. We also have a deal on the Downy and Cottonelle. Now this is not mega sale. $11.99. You have the Head and Shoulders and Garnier for $7.99. A bunch of medicines and vitamins for $9.99. Batteries for $6.99, and 30% off on your light bulbs. 3's a deal. Mix or match. Buy 2, get the 3rd item free. So we saw that with the baking goods, but now it looks like we're going to be getting that with some cosmetics here. So some CoverGirl is part of this deal, some L'Oreal, some Sally Hansen, those types of things, Maybelline. So mix and match, get the 3rd item free. You could come up with some pretty awesome deals here and add some coupons to the deals. And, we'll have to check that out come Wednesday, what's participating. But awesome deal there. All right, my favorite part of the ad are the weekly digital deals that happen. So these are just for a week. You have to load the digitals on Wednesday. You can then purchase any time for that following week. You can grab up to 5 items, but remember, once you use this coupon, it is gone. So if you want all 5 items, you have to grab them all in the same transaction. So starting out with Heritage Farm chicken breasts, $5.97 each. My region usually doesn't have the Heritage Farm. It's usually the Kroger brand that we get these in. So let me know about your region there. $1.77 each on some Tostitos or Cheetos after digital coupon. You also have some ice cream deals, $1.97 for some Edie's ice cream. That's a pretty good deal. And then you could also grab some novelties, Kroger novelties, or it looks like fruit bars as well. We have the Florida Natural Orange Juice for $1.77 each. And, great deal here. The Quilted Northern and Angel Soft are going to be $3.97. So this is going to be a really awesome deal. And we have any coupons to stack with it. It could be really great. Again, I would stock up. I definitely supply chain issues, how it went down to, a year and a half ago with everything happening. So I'm going to stock up. I'm going to grab all 5 of these, and fingers crossed we have some coupons that go with it. All right, let's see what we have next. All right, checking out the back part of the ad. We have some deals on some produce and meats as we scroll down. I'm not going to read all of these to you. I'll give you a second to kind of gander through them. Obviously, these can change from region to region. Let's go to the bottom part of the ad. We have more deli and bakery here. 2 for $10 on your chickens. I say this all the time. Go to Sam's Club. For $5, you can get a chicken that's 3 times that size. But and I'm sure Costco's the same way. I just have a Sam's Club membership. $6.99 for the boneless beef chuck roast. Again, even if these aren't the exact deals in your region, check out your region and then purchase when things are on sale like this instead of purchasing full price. Put them in your freezer, that type of thing. Ground beef for $3.49, not bad there. But that way you can pull them out when you need them and you haven't paid full price for them. So that's the best way to do at least meats, because they can be frozen. Some produce you can do that on, but obviously that's harder to do, or just eat the produce that is part of the sale that week. Maybe it's grapes that week, maybe the next week it's apples, that type of thing. Okay. All right, so I'm excited to see the bang there. The 4 packs are going to be $5.99 on mega sale. I'm probably going to grab a few of those. Walmart's a little bit more expensive than that right now. 49 cents for some Betty Crocker casserole skillet potatoes. And just a reminder, this is the mega sale. So you have to buy 5 participating items and you mix and match these items. So I don't have to buy 5 of those bangs to get them for $5.99. I can only buy 1 and then 4 other participating items. It looks like we've got some Ruffles and Lay's potato chips for $3.29. Pop-Tarts, not a great deal there, $1.49. And I haven't seen coupons in forever come out on the Pop-Tarts. So fingers crossed that we get those. I almost feel like the Kroger brand Pop-Tarts are a better deal. Jell-O and Chex Mix there for $1.49. We have chips and eggs there for $2.79. We usually have 50 cent off coupons for those Eggland's Best Eggs there. Again, look for a video to come out on Tuesday with some matchups. Chocolate fudge iced double layer cake looks amazing, $11.99. Don't think I'm going to grab that. I've already put on way too much weight for Thanksgiving. I'm going to have to get that off. $1.99 on the Welch's grape juice, some Rice Krispie treats, Velveeta, shells and cheese. Oops, a little too far there. Let's go to the next page. We have the Thomas English muffins and swirl bread, and it looks like Miss Butterworth syrup for $1.99, some Kroger bacon for $7.99, some Kroger beef burgers for $7.99, $2.99 for Chobani oat milk, coffee creamer, I should say. Haagen-Dazs there for $2.99. We have some pasta sauces, some Gardein plant-based soups for $1.49. We have some snacks there, Nature Valley, Fiber One, Pop Chips, $1.99. Morning Star Farms meatless entrees, and the Tillamook butter, or even some pasta there, $3.49. Keep scrolling down. Butter, all kinds of, I can't believe it's not butter. Those different types of spreads, $2.29. You have Miracle Whip and Gardein products there for $3.49. We have the Jif peanut butter and the Smucker's jellies there for $2.99. And does say the preserves or natural fruit spread. So that might be a little bit more expensive. And of course, we've got some TGI Friday appetizers, as well as some Snapple 6-packs for $4.49 on mega sale. So lots of great items on mega sale. All right, quickly going to scan this. Obviously, you can get your holiday meals from Kroger. Have you ever done that? Let me know in the comments. Is it good? All right, and then some private selection products here, and Kroger Cocktail Smoky. So lots of things advertising the upcoming holidays, because you're going to be having all those Christmas parties, holiday parties, that type of thing. Bottom part of the ad, more things for the holidays. The crescent rolls, 3 for $6. Should have $1 off the coupon that we have pretty regularly there. So More deals, the merrier. Some pet beds for $15.99. Holiday gift sets are $9.99. I think that's pretty typical, maybe just a couple dollars off, but you can use coupons on these. So like Skintimate, the one you see right there, if there's a coupon for Skintimate razors, they usually apply to this. So that's a pretty cool thing, to a way to get extra savings. We probably are going to see like a digital coupon pop up for like 50% off. It may be 40% off this year. And then you can stack it with your manufacturer coupons, and we usually get really good deals. So I would kind of wait to do some of these deals. We usually see it in the month of December. At some point in time, it's usually a couple day sale, or it's a digital coupon, something like that. So fingers crossed we will see that pop up here in the next couple of weeks leading up to Christmas. If I could guess, I would say probably look for it within the next week or so to pop up. More weekly digitals here. $2.97 on some Oscar Mayer natural, looks like natural beef frank. So the more expensive type of products from Oscar Mayer, $2.97. We have fresh baked cookies for $1.97. That sounds delicious. Outdoor floral there. Looks like Christmas trees even. 20% off with a digital coupon. So that's cool. We have some Downy, $7.97. So it's the big ones. 129 ounce. Or the 81 fluid ounces there. We have some deals on some Crest and L'Oreal LV shampoo and conditioners. Ooh, if we have coupons for those, it could be an amazing deal. $1.97 each there. So I'm excited about that. And tape. So funny, Scotch tape. I'm literally probably going to buy these and wrap them for my daughter for Christmas. My 4-year-old is obsessed with taping things together. She always likes to make little crafts, and she wants tape. And she has cleaned me out of tape. So this is what she's going to get for Christmas, is one of her gifts. And I'm not even joking. So I'm glad to see that on sale. And that is all we've got. That was the end of the ad preview here. So if you like this ad preview, please give me a great big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what your favorite deal is. Are you going to grab something specific? If you notice any kind of sales or matchups, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to give you a shout out in my advertised deals video. Have a wonderful week. Enjoy your Thanksgiving weekend and Black Friday weekend. And of course, I'll be back with you this next week sharing more deals. Bye, guys.